funny as shit. And then you go, meow, meow, meow.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
A kitty drinks too much milk.
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? You are not allowed to pee anywhere but the kitty litter. Do you understand? Good.
Lucky, it's fine.
Lucky, no.
Lucky, stop. Lucky. Lucky, stop. Him. Stop making it look at him. He's gonna attack the screen.
He's perturbed. Lucky, it's okay. It's not real, buddy.
He's like, shake it off. It's okay.
It's not real. It's not real.
Aw, you look so cute sitting there doing absolutely fucking nothing, bitch! Get your ass up!
Tell me that your cat has an eating disorder without telling me that your cat has an eating disorder. I'll go first.
Apparently, if you play this sound, your cat is supposed to come to you. But I don't have a cat, so I just went outside.
Are you ready? Come on. Yay, bro.
Guys, I'm at a plant nursery right now. It's so quiet. But look at this.
Living with a black cat is kind of like living with a sassy shadow, a fashionable gargoyle, a solar-powered Halloween decoration, a tiny moody night dragon, a roaming judgmental feather duster.
Are you purring?
Helping my fat cat lose weight, Crunches edition.
Natasha. Natasha. You okay?
I'm right here.
Bro.
Have a little sip.
I was taking my cat to the vet and I was trying to comfort him.
I know. I'm sorry. What? Willie!
Yo, I kind of want to pet this dog, but it looks aggressive.
My dog doesn't bite.
Oh, are you sure?
No, my dog doesn't bite.
Oh.
Hello. Hello.
Get stuck in this tree, ain't nobody calling the fire department. Nobody is. Get your ass down. Get your ass down.
Come on, you got this. All right. Look what we have here.
Again, to let you know, I just came to remind y'all que ese culo bota caca.
Okay.
Not me thinking I was about to take home a cat when I really need to take my blind a dollar to the optometrists.
I'm gonna try to get her to turn the lights off so I don't have to. Come on. Oh, let's go! Let's go!
No, cheat rat.
Why do cats have to put their entire hole on everything?
Thank you.
Holy shit. Oh my god! Guys, come here, I found one!
What?
It's a North American house hippo!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Everyone just has like a bowl of cats in their dining room table, right? Like, you all have one of these?
My snack.
Stop. Hey, don't bite him.
Tender fish sticks.
No. Crazy. Ooh, there's bugs.
Fight me, ho.
You.
Owner says he won't bite.
Is your hand stuck? Oh, bless you. Lucu's out in Georgia.
Bro, are you fucking serious? You comfy in there, bud?
Want some apple? Pray. Come here. Pray. Oh my god, that is so cute. Are you serious? No.